Hello everybody, just making a very short video of our sloes. So these are growing in our boundary hedge and they've already coloured up, but they're not quite ready yet. So I've got one here that I've picked about a minute ago. You can see it's already got that lovely blue bloom on it, but a little tiny squeeze just shows you they're not quite ripe yet. So at the moment it's the end of July. I won't be picking these for a little while yet, but it's a balancing act before picking, because you've got to keep an eye on the birds which will come and strip the berries. So I'll give it another month or so and then come out and see how many there are here. What I normally do is pick a couple of kilos, put them in a freezer bag and put them in the freezer. And then when I'm ready to make either my sloe gin or sloe vodka, then I can take them out, defrost them and use them then. Sloe gin, sloe vodka, very easy to make. Make some nice presents for folk at the turn of the year. So you can find the recipe and the method how to make it in my new book, Grow Your Own Booze, which will be out shortly.